Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am your maths teacher Miss Hina Naqvi from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College. How are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today we will start our class with lecture 13. Before we begin the lecture, please keep the following items with you: pencil, colored pencils, razor, Oxford Countdown Book 1, 3rd edition, and school diary to note down the homework. Today's topic is ordinal numbers. Please open page number 53. Ordinal numbers are used to tell the order of things. They are a little different from counting numbers. We can take an example from our daily life. During a race, whoever is ahead of others, we don't say that he came number 1. Instead of this, we say that Ali came first, Noor is second, Sana is third, Asad is fourth, and Amna is fifth. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, they all are ordinal numbers. We can take another example of the number of months in a year. January is the first month, February is the second month, March is the third month, April is the fourth month, and so on. Hope you understand the difference between regular numbers and ordinal numbers. We can repeat it. Our regular numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And ordinal numbers are first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Let's start question number 1. The question is, color the first and the fifth frogs. You can see start written in the red arrow. On which side is it written? You have to tell me. Yes, you are correct. It is on the left side. So we will start counting from the left side. If you will write ordinal numbers on the frogs, then it will be easier for you to color the frogs required in the question. We will start counting from the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th frogs. We have to color the first and the fifth frog. See, we have colored the first and fifth frog. Now question number 2 is colored the second, sixth, and the seventh butterflies. Start is written on your right side. So we will start counting from the right side. You also count with me. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. Now we have to color the second, sixth, and the seventh butterfly. Here we have colored the butterflies in pink. You can select your own color for the butterflies. आपको जो भी color पसंद है butterflies में आप वो कर सकते हैं. Our next topic is addition. Please open page number 56. We will do question number 1, part B. First we will add horizontally. To add the numbers, you can use your fingers or draw lines or draw any object. The question is written horizontally 3 plus 5. यानी आपने 3 में 5 और ऐड करने हैं. Start counting ahead of 3. मेरे साथ आप लोग भी 3 से आगे काउंट करना शुरू करें. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, the answer is 8. Be careful students, write your answer within the box. Another method is to draw stars. We will draw 3 stars. 1, 2, 3, and then 5 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many stars altogether? Yes, you are correct. The answer is 8. The next question is 5 plus 3. We will draw 5 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 3 stars. 1, 2, 3. Add them. The answer is again 8 because the numbers are same but the order is different. So, the answer remains the same. Now, we will do these questions in vertical form. We will draw 3 stars, 1, 2, 3 and then 5 stars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add them, the answer is 8. Next is 5 plus 3. Draw 5 stars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 3 stars, 1, 2, 3. Count them together. Yes, the answer is 8. We will do question number 1, part C. First, we will solve horizontally and then vertically. 11 plus 5 is horizontal form. Draw 11 stars in front of 11 and then 5 stars in front of 5. Count them together. The answer is 16. Then add 5 plus 11. Draw 5 stars in front of 5 and then 11 stars in front of 11. Count them together. Yes, the answer is 16. Now in vertical form. Draw 11 stars and then 5 stars. They are 16 altogether. You can see on the right side that the numbers are same but order is different. The question is 5 plus 11. We will draw 5 stars, then 11 stars. Add them together. The answer is 16. Please open your diaries and note down the homework. Page number 53, question number 3 and 4. Page number 56, question number 1, part D and E. ये आपके एडिशन के सम्स हैं, आपने इनको बहुत केयरफुली करना है और आंसर अपना बॉक्स में लिखना है. पेज नंबर 155 एंड 156 ये आपकी रेगुलर काउंटिंग है. इसको बहुत नीटली लिखें एंड ट्रेस द डिजिट्स वेरी नीटली. Now we are done with today's work. I hope that the concepts of ordinal numbers and addition are clear to you. Please keep practicing them at home. We will meet again for lecture number 14. Inshallah. Stay safe. Khuda Hafiz.